Get TeamOne data directly into Sheets using the TeamOne formula. First of all, let's add a new TeamOne connection pointing to our production server. We can copy and edit the test server configuration. Both models are based on the Retail 24 TeamOne sample database. And now we should see them both in the sidebar. Let's switch to Sheet 1 and try to see some revenue cube data, for instance the actuals of 2020. When you start typing the TeamOne formula, you will see a hint to provide a cube name as the first argument, followed by the row, column and title ranges. In our example we will use only column and title ranges. Go to the TeamOne sidebar and click TeamOne Recalculate on the Functions tab. In a moment we can see the result. Now let's add the budget of 2021 to the same formula by adding it to the columns range. Click TeamOne Recalculate on the Functions tab. And both values are here. You can use the retrieved data for your further analysis. For instance, let's calculate the percentage difference. We can also add a bit of formatting to make it look nicer. Now let's see the data breakdown by a distribution channel when adding it to the formula rows range. Recalculate the data again. Copy the formula for the percentage difference and apply a matching formatting. Finally, let's narrow the results to Canada only, by adding it to the titles range. Recalculate the data again. A few more styling and it looks great now. You can add as many TeamOne formulas as you need. Let's copy our previous example, but this time we will point explicitly to the prod connection. One more TeamOne Recalculate and we can compare both reports.